Hello and welcome. Welcome to this new moon in Aries energy. Aries new moon is the start of the astrological new year. It coincides with the spring equinox. And so the time right now is about planting seeds. It's about new beginnings. This new moon in Aries is fire energy. It is about stepping into your power and activating your courage and marching forward, right? So I have some crystal recommendations. And again, if these resonate, they can be used anytime to activate that inner fire, to ignite your passion. So to get into my crystal recommendations for this new moon in fiery Aries, I'm starting with citrine. Citrine helps to activate the solar plexus chakra, the chakra for abundance, stepping into your power, self-esteem, and self-worth, because you are worth creating these new beginnings. You are worth taking the time to set some intentions. You are worth sitting back and reflecting about what it is you want with this life that you have. Time to tap into that. It's calling. And I have a beautiful citrine bracelet with the crescent moon and the star to remind you that you are the star of your life and that you are planting seeds for new beginnings. Okay, citrine is a very happy and uplifting stone. It is a quartz-based stone, so you could actually even use this in elixir if you would like, meaning put it in some water and you'll take the energy of the citrine internally. You could also place it in the southwest corner of your home or your office. According to Feng Shui, that is the wealth and prosperity corner. Just a couple ways to use citrine, and of course wearing it. Okay, so next up I have for you natural genuine Oregon Sunstone. Sunstone is, sorry, I was looking for the stone to go with it. Sunstone activates our sacral chakra. This stone is known for helping to ward off depression. It brings in the sun. It brings in the light. It helps you to look at things through a new light. And again, going into what are you worth? What sparks your passion? What would you like to create? Which I encourage you to write down answers to that journal prompt, those questions that I'm giving you when working with this beautiful new moon energy. Another sacral chakra stone, Carnelian, really helps to ignite the passion, creating new beginnings, bringing warmth and energy into that sacral chakra, into the womb, cultivating new beginnings, toiling that soil for new beginnings. Okay? Brings in passion, love, sexual energy. This one is a wrap. For some reason, I just love doing carnelian in wraps with the beautiful sterling silver accent bead and charm here. My carnelian heart crystal, you could lay this right on your sacral chakra, putting your hands on it and envisioning this beautiful orange glow and activating that area of your life. This is also about tapping into your joy and connection. We are meant to connect to others. And so maybe your new beginning might include working with some other people. Just think about that too. And another gorgeous sacral chakra stone, peach moonstone. This is the stone for new beginnings. I love this one because it also connects with your heart chakra. So it's like creating from your heart. It's a highly intuitive stone. It helps to balance the hormones, bringing you more into harmony, and helps you, as I was saying, to create from your heart and your intuition, calling in your guides. This is also the best stone, honestly, if you are not wanting to just birth new ideas, but to actually bring new life. If you are in that stage of your life where you are ready to birth a baby, I have made so many of these bracelets, and some of them I will include rose quartz in it. They are my fertility bracelets, and I've had a lot of amazing results, honestly. Here's a peach moonstone crystal. When I was going through my fertility treatments and that time in my life, I used to lay this with rose quartz all the time on my sacral chakra and my heart chakra. I'm just looking to see if I have a rose quartz here. This combination, creating from your heart. Okay, and then lastly, I have clear quartz. Clear quartz helps to amplify those intentions. It helps to keep you laser focused on what your intentions are. It activates the crown chakra, but it helps to bring all of your energy centers into balance. This is a beautiful stone that if you are feeling out of alignment, you can take a point and just aim it right towards that chakra with the intention. And you can even circle the way a chakra would flow and help to bring balance to those chakras, help to clear out an overactive mind and to stay laser focused on what it is you are creating for this new moon in Aries, because we will be reaping the benefits of the seeds that we're planting now when we go to harvest them in the fall. Okay, so I encourage you to tap into this fiery energy, light a fire, write your intentions down and read them out loud. It's very powerful to hear your own voice and work with these crystals. Wear these crystals, keep them on as a reminder and to be aligned and in tuned with the energy that they are emitting.